everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to respond to your first destination survey. So first, this is your Handshake homepage. If you've never logged into Handshake before, or you're not sure how to access it, you can just type in fordham.joinhandshake.com. You can also just search Fordham Handshake or go to our homepage at fordham.edu/career. Once you've logged in, click Career Center. This will allow you to do a few things, such as make an appointment, view some resources, and for our purposes, enter your first destination survey. Click here, and then it will ask you some general information. First thing you'll want to type in is your personal email. If you don't have a personal email, you can put in your Fordham one as well, even though it says you shouldn't. Then, let us know what you are primarily doing after graduation. So if you're doing multiple things, let us know the one that you think is primary. You can click on any of these. If you plan on working, but you don't have a job lined up yet, then you'll want to choose Still Looking. Then we'll ask you, are you looking for further education? Are you planning to go to grad school? Or employment? Are you looking for a job? Click one, and then click Next. Then we'll ask you some custom questions. If you had found something, we would ask you where you found that job. For example, Handshake, for a family or friend, from the alumni network, social media, etc. We'll also ask you how many internships you completed while at Fordham. If you're a Gabelli student, we have some specific questions just for you. We're also interested in other things that you did at your time at Fordham, such as if you did research with a staff member, or if you participated in other experiences, such as a Go trip or club leadership. Then you'll click Finish. That's all there is. Thanks so much.